In the last class, I have given one more homework question. So, how many of you found the answer? And one small request, if you like our lectures, just to click that like button. I'm repeating one more time. So, let us continue the lecture. So, for this question, first you have to identify, apply your common sense. I have been told you many times, whenever they are giving the questions, sometimes your questions may not be in indeterminate form. Directly you can predict the answer. But for those questions, how do I proceed further, sir? If you take this question directly, suppose if you are substituting, let me tell you what mistake people will do, then I will try to correct it. Basically, what we will be thinking here is, you will be taking the limit. Let me take the question. Limit n is approaching to infinity. Sir, in the numerator also n is given. In the denominator also n power 2 plus n is given, sir. What I simply did is, what you people did, let me tell you what you might have did. Directly you all replaced n by infinity such that you might have got infinity upon, sir, in the denominator we got infinity square plus infinity, sir. You only told that infinity square will be again infinity plus infinity once again infinity only, square root of infinity only. So what is the conclusion, sir? This is in infinite infinite by infinite. So I can say this is in indeterminate form, sir. Correct? This is what your answer, right? No. Let me tell you, this conclusion is absolutely wrong. Why, sir? There is a trick in this question. Now, let me tell you one common logic. First, you all have to understand the common logic behind of this. What is the common logic, sir? Let me tell you about that first. Then you will get the complete idea. So, our common sense always, whenever, wherever, if you are applying this value for your function, if you are replacing any function by infinity, see here we are going to apply infinity for all the values. So while putting infinity in any function, you have to cross check. What I have to cross check is, let us take the example. Given it is n is there, in the numerator also n is there, in the denominator also, in all cases n is there. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So n is commonly appeared at all points. What you have to do is, whenever you are replacing n by infinity, first step, cross check the highest order of the n in the numerator. Highest order means what? Highest power. Here what is the highest power? Only n is there, in the power we have 1. So n power 1 is the highest order. Power 1 is the highest order. Now cross check whether the same common term is appearing in the denominator or not. So if you keep on keeping your attention with the function, see there in the denominator we have n power 2 and plus n. I am willing to take n power 2 outside. If you take n power 2 outside, then it will become n power 1. Then inside the bracket it will become 1 plus n upon n power 2. Yes or no? 1 n will get cancelled. So this function can be written as n upon n into square root of 1 plus 1 by n square. Sorry, only n will come, right? So n square will not come. This is simply n only. Okay, sir. Sir, in this approach, see, just continue this approach. What I was getting here is n is getting cancelled out. Finally, here my resultant conclusion in this question is 1 upon square root of 1 plus 1 by n is my answer. Hereafter, see what I did. I haven't did anything specially. Just I observed the numerator order, and I have also observed the denominator. You have to you have to consider the highest numerator order and check whether the same highest numerator order is commonly available in the denominator function or not. If it is available, take it out and cancel the numerator and the denominator. Then just look into the resultant function, replace n by infinity. Repeat the same procedure. What you will be getting if I will do like that? Now see there what I will be getting. If I will do like that, then it will become 1 upon 1 plus square root of 1 plus 1 upon, when we are replacing n by infinity, it will become 1 by infinity. Tell me what is the value of 1 by infinity? 1 by infinity will be equal to 0. Then what will be having? 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 will become 1 only. So 1 by square root of 1, or we can say square root of 1 equal to 1 only. 1 by 1 equal to 1 only. Sir, we got 1 here. But initially What you people told, sir, this is indeterminate form, sir, and I also don't know how to proceed further with this function. You might have again differentiated the function, then you might be substituting the values. Not required. You have to always be conscious while solving the problems. So what is the conclusion here? First step, whenever we are substituting infinity to some functions, cross check the highest order of the, if that function is available, if that element, right, so here the element is n, for the n we are going to substitute infinity, check whether that same element is available in both numerator and denominator, then that is the first condition, check both numerator and denominator whether the same element is available in other forms. After that, check the highest order of this function, here it is 1, then if it is possible in the denominator, try to take that same highest order, then cancel the order, then substitute this value, you will be getting the answer. See there, this is the correct way of approaching. You know, this is not only in engineering mathematics. Basically, engineering mathematics, we are learning to apply all these basics into our engineering. Suppose if you people are belongs to mechanical engineering, this all fundamental basics will going to be applied in different applications. If you are belongs to electrical engineering, then this applications, this all logics will going to be applied in different applications. So if you do remember this common logic, it doesn't matter whether you are working on circuit theory, or you are working on fluid mechanics, or you are working on EMT, or you are working on thermal. So it doesn't matter in which subject or which stream you belongs to. Always whenever you are substituting the infinity to any function in any subject, just remember this logic. Observe the highest numerator of that element in both numerator and denominator. Try to cancel the highest order. If numerator is n power 3, definitely it will be available in the denominator also. Most of the cases, 99% it will be available. Try to cancel the order, then substitute the value, you will be getting the answer. So this is not indeterminate form. That is the conclusion, and I hope you all have understood this question also. Now let us I am going to bring one more surprising and beautiful question in front of you, and you are going to try the question. What is the question is, let me write. Limit the function defined as x is approaching to a, and the function given is x minus a whole power x minus a. This is the given function. Now the question is, what is the resultant expected answer for this question? Take it as the homework question. Try to apply your own logic, and you need some common sense. So far we understood two indeterminate format. 0 by 0 is also called indeterminate, and we also observed that infinity by infinity also called indeterminate format. See, basically you also understand one more thing. 1 by 0 can be written as infinity. So infinity into 0. Here also if you observe, 1 by infinity can be written as 0, 0 into infinity. This both are same. So 0 into infinity or infinity by 0, both are what? Indeterminate form only. That is what we observed so far. Now here I am bringing you one more question, and I am telling is, yes, it is also lies under indeterminate form only, and for this we need a little bit mastermind. You can just try it once if it is possible, and if you are finding the answer, try to drop your answer in the comment section. So this is all for this lecture. Remaining things we will see in the next class. Thank you all.